guys? Today it's our day 16 here in Italy, and today we are going to the Colosseum and we're going to take an Uber going there. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you there at the Colosseum, guys. Okay guys, now we're here inside the bus going to the Colosseum, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys at the Colosseum. Okay guys, now we're here at the Colosseum. Here's it guys, so here we go guys. Here's it. And yeah, so I'll show you also the top. Here's it guys, and yeah, so I will give you a quick montage. Okay guys, now we're just waiting here outside of the Colosseum since we are going to enter at 2:30. It's currently now 1:30 and we're just gonna wait for just 1 hour just to get inside. And the time of entry is at 2:15, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys inside if I can film you guys inside.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, now we have made it upstairs, so here's the top of the museum. And yeah. So here is the observatory, and here's the Colosseum itself. Okay guys, so as you can see the cross right here. As you can see. And here is the Colosseum at the town. And yeah. Here's the cross again. Alright guys, so we have made it to the top once again, so here's it guys. Here's the view. So yeah, I will give you a quick montage.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, now we're done with the Colosseum and now we're having a lunch here at an Italian restaurant. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you what food I got. Okay guys, so our first food here is margarita pizza, and yeah, so here's it guys.
Cheese lang yan.
Okay guys, so I ordered their spaghetti and my brother ordered their pasta with shells, and yeah. With shells. My dad ordered macaroni, and yeah, so let's eat.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now we're done eating, and now we don't know where we're going yet, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we're back in the hotel room and we're just gonna take a quick rest, and yeah, so we're going out for dinner later and we're going shopping also later, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys.
1 eternity later.
Okay guys, now we're heading to the train station to have dinner, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys at the food court. Okay guys, now here's my food. So I got their barbecue with rice, while my brother ordered their pasta and my dad ordered their sushi. So let's eat.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, now we're done eating and now we're heading back to the hotel, and this is our last night here in Italy, so I will give you the last montage. Okay guys, now we're back in our hotel room and our day 16 ends here, and tomorrow we will be flying back to Manila. And yeah, so our day 16 ends here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.